Good evening, friends. I welcome you to this wonderful opportunity, and this is one of the finest programs. And we'll show you this meeting is for 40 minutes, and it is so powerful that it can revolutionize your life. And this meeting is for 40 minutes, and it will be shown like a trailer, like you go to see a movie in a theater. So they show you a trailer basically, and if you like the trailer, you go for the movie. Similarly, we will show you little bit of company, then the product, the marketing plan, and if you like it, you can go for the whole movie. Friends, as you are seeing here, just let me just yeah, we go ahead. It is written here, a short pencil is better than a long memory. Whatever you like, that you please note down, because normally what we feel that we remember everything. It is not like that. After 1 week, if you will try to recollect the things, then you will feel that 90% of the things you are not able to recollect. But if you write down and just turn over the notebook, then you will come back into this meeting. And because whatever you write, that gets registered in your subconscious mind. Friends, we get very confused normally, because there are so many opportunities in the market. There are thousands of them, and it is like a building basically. Like a building has four strong pillars, then only it is strong enough. Similarly, there are four pillars, four main points of this opportunity. If you are doing this kind of, you are looking for this kind of opportunity. These four pillars are basically, first is that the company background. There should be 15 years of very clear and clean background of the company, because more than 90% companies close down in first 5 years. More than 95 close down in first 10 years. More than 99% close down in first 15 years. So 15 years of working, proper working, clean working is required. The second point is, second pillar is whether the company is transparent, whether it is ethical, whether it is honest. So many companies, what they do, they change their marketing plans, and it is dishonesty with existing distributors. Some companies, what they do, they steal away distributors or buy distributors from another companies and fit in their marketing plan. It is again dishonesty with existing distributors. Third thing, what you have to see is the product should be consumable type, because the money comes from sales basically. And if you have a product like a TV or RO system, and you have to buy just one in 20 years, so the money will come once only in 20 years. The fourth pillar is whether there is real money in the marketing plan or not. Many companies, what they do, suppose you buy something for 100 rupees, they pay you commission on 50 rupees. So if they are saying 20% you will get, in hand you get 10%. But in the company, I am telling you, if you buy something for 100 rupees, they pay you at 143 rupees. So in your hand comes 28%. Now, both the companies are saying 20% you will get. But in one company, you are getting 10%, and in our company, you are getting 28%. Then you have to see whether the income you are getting today, and there is some unfortunate event, whether this money will go to the spouse or the children or their children, whether it will be transferred to next generations or not. So all these points you have to take care. So this opportunity will give you a chance to manage a great lifestyle. And when you are looking for alternatives, there may be many reasons. There may be uncertainty. There may be some worry about future or health, or some problem of money, or there is a loan of the bank, or job you are not feeling is secure, or you are looking for variety, you are getting bored with whatever you are doing. Then, or if you are your want to be your own boss, or you want to own your business, we have a beautiful opportunity for you. Now just take your life back by 20 years and just think, whatever money we need to run a family properly today, how much money was required 20 years ago? It was about 5,000 that time to run a family. Now it has increased 6 to 8 times in 20 years, because the inflation is there every year. And inflation will keep on going up and up. And in next 20 years, friends, we would be requiring 2 lakh to 4 lakh per month just to run a family. Friends, have you done something like that, that this kind of money comes to you easily? If not, friends, you have to think about it today. Because whatever we decided in the past and implemented on that, whatever we are today, we are result of that. And whatever we decide today and implement on that, that will make our future. We have FBOs in our company today who are making 10 lakhs per month. Just think, 10 lakh per month they are earning today. How much they will be making after 20 years? Just think of it. We have distributors who are earning in crores. We have a distributor in Germany who makes 6 crores per month. We have distributors who have their own helicopters, own planes. Friends, we offer you a lifestyle where you'll have peace of mind, you'll feel excited, future is bright, personal freedom is there, financial freedom is there. And this business you can do either part-time or full-time or in spare time. If you have just half an hour a day, you can build this business. If you just have 3-4 hours in the weekend, you can build this business. And there is no need to leave your existing job or business to do this, to build this business. And we'll give you complete training, support, recognitions, all that. And people spend a lot of money on personality development. They do classes for 30,000, 50,000, or 1 lakh rupees. Here, if you are working for 6 months or 1 year, your personality development will happen automatically. And it is a business which makes you a better person. Friends, it looks like an ordinary business, but in fact, it is one of the most powerful businesses on earth. This business is royalty business. And royalty, very rare people get. Only 4 type of people are there who get royalties. One is who invent, scientists who invent anything. Second, authors, writers. Jawaharlal Nehru ji wrote a book, Discovery of India. First, Indira ji was enjoying the royalty, then Rajiv Gandhi, and now who is enjoying? Sonia Gandhi. Who wrote the book? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is enjoying the royalty? Sonia Gandhi. Then royalty singers and dancers are getting royalties like Asha Bhosle, Lata Mangeshkar, Michael Jackson. Where is Michael Jackson today? He is in heaven. And his family is now getting 15 crores per year as royalty. And fourth, who gets the royalty? Friends, forever distributors, our company people get the royalties. It is such a wonderful program. Now, most of us know about traditional business. And in traditional business or service, we see people do lot of work, lot of labor, lot of time they give, sometimes 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. Even after 50 years of hard labor, so many people don't reach even an income of 50,000 per month. But here we say if you work for 6 months, 1 year or 2 years, you'll get 50,000 or 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 3 lakh per month. So it is not digestible easily. But if you know from where this money is coming, how is it coming, then we will be convinced and then we will do this business and this money will come to us. So let's understand what is this business. Suppose you go to a chemist and buy a tablet there for say 1 rupee. So this tablet starts from factory for 10, 20, 30 paisa. Similarly, Coca-Cola, which you drink for 10 rupees, 200 ml, that also starts from the factory for 1 or 2 or 3 rupees. So what is the in between? There is a gap of 70%. Why is this gap? Because the distributors, national distributors profit, city distributors profit, shopkeeper profit, dealer profit, all these are added. The cost is added. Then advertisement. Amir Khan says Thanda matlab Coca-Cola. 20 crores goes to his pocket. Then 20,000 people are working in the company. Vice President Marketing salary 5 lakhs per month, President Marketing salary 10 lakhs per month, 20, 30 general managers salary 2 lakh per month, then executives, managers, staff, then transportation, all these expenses of 20,000 people. From where these expenses are coming? These are coming from the bottle. Company is not giving from its pocket. This system is called traditional business or traditional marketing. Then there is another type of business, and our company works with this second system. Here also the product is manufactured in the factory and it goes to the consumer. But in this system, this traditional business is deleted, and between the factory and the consumer, there are distributors like you and me. So whatever money is traditional business system is going to dealers, distributors and shopkeepers, that money comes to us. And whatever money, because here there is no separate marketing channel, and whatever money was going in advertisement to Amir Khan 20 crores, that is also saved and that comes to us in a way. And the expenses of 20,000 people, those are also saved and that comes to us. So in effect, that 70% is money is coming to us. Now just think, if we get so much of money, can we get 50,000 or 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 3 lakh per month in 6 months or 1 year or 2 years? We can easily get. Now this business, the name of our company is Forever Living Products. It is an American company. It is there in 160 countries. It is 42-year-old company, and the turnover of the company is $3.8 billion, about 28,000 crore rupees. And this company is INC 500 company. What is INC 500? They make a list of 500 fastest growing companies in America. So this is one of these 500 great companies. And out of these 500 companies also, our company has got the sixth rank also. And we are the largest grower, manufacturer, and distributors of aloe vera. We grow aloe vera in over 6,000 acres of land, and we hold worldwide 85% market of aloe vera. Friends, this business is the combination of two big and fastest growing businesses. Which industry is the biggest industry in India as on date? Health industry is the biggest industry. And network marketing is one of the fastest growing industries in India as on date. So it is a combination of these two. And so the income potential here is unlimited. And there is no risk here. It is a business which is producing the maximum number of millionaires in the world, the maximum number of crorepati's. Direct selling is going to grow more than 64,500 crores by 2025. And health nutrition, it's $1 trillion industry. So you missed on some big industries like PC industry, PC boom or internet boom, then don't lose out on this. Now, why network marketing? Because it is a simple business. Anyone can do it. In fact, we are already doing it from childhood. I will give you an example. Suppose you go to a restaurant and the food is very tasty over there. So what you do? You come home, tell so many people. Otherwise, you will not get the peace of mind. You will not get otherwise, or you will feel like gutter goo in your stomach. So now next time if you go to restaurant, will they provide you food free of cost? No, but you have done advertisement for them, knowingly or unknowingly. Similarly, if you go to a movie and if movie is very good, you tell so many people. But next time you go to movie, will they show you free of cost? No. What we are saying here, because you are doing a lot of things, you are taking bath daily, you are doing brush daily, then you are using shampoos, you are using creams, you are using health products. What we are saying, you change your shop, use 10 of our products. If you use 10 of our products, you will definitely like 5 of them. And if you like, then you will tell other people. If you will not tell, then you will not get mentally satisfied, and you will feel you have to tell other people, then you will tell those people. And if you tell those people, your business starts. It is such a simple business. And this business is lauded by the most reputed people in the world, the top leaders, the top economists, the richest people like that. Tony Blair, UK Prime Minister, lauds a lot this business. The former president of USA, Bill Clinton, lauds a lot. Mikhail Gorbachev, former USSR president. Bill Gates, who had been the richest person in the world, he says, if I am given a chance again to do something, I will do network marketing. Even the present president of USA, Donald Trump, has wrote a book on this subject with Robert Kiyosaki, one of the famous writers. Now, this direct sales in 2018, it was 192 billion, and out of that 65 billion was health and nutrition. And in 2018, personal care was 630 billion, and out of that direct sales of personal care was 65 billion. $1 billion is equal to 7,500 crores. Just think how much money is there. And this is the data of 2019. This is Worldwide Federation of Direct Selling Association. It is data of that. Now let's see, let's compare this business with a franchisee business so that you will understand this business in a better way. Suppose you take a franchisee of, say, McDonald's for 5 crore rupees, you buy it. And just tell me how many franchisees you can appoint further. Friends, you cannot appoint even a single franchisee. But if you become our business partner, you can appoint 5 franchisees, 50, 500, 5,000 even. No limits, absolutely no limits. And in 160 countries all over the world, you can appoint. Such a powerful business. You can start your business by becoming a customer, preferred customer, that if you buy something for 1,000 rupees, you can become a customer. If you want to be a business partner, you have to buy some 2cc, which is equal to about 30,000 rupees. Running cost there is in lakhs. Here it is cost of literature 200 or 400, whatever. Training cost there is in lakhs. It is free here. Premises, staff, inventory, lot of cost over there. It is free here. There are so many licenses you have to take there. Here not required. There you have 24-hour headache. Here you decide for how many hours you want to work. Potential there is to become multimillionaire, that is Crorepati. Here also it is the multimillionaire Crorepati. Now why do forever marketing? Because risk free. There is no 24-hour headache. Don't have to spend crores of rupees. In businesses, other businesses you may earn money, but you may lose on health. Even if you don't lose on health, most of the businesses you don't get time to enjoy life. In this business, you get health, you get wealth, you get the time to enjoy life, and you get blessings also here. And in this business, you keep on earning while learning, and you invest your time with us basically, and trainings are here free, and you help other people to be successful, and you really can have big dreams in this company. This business is ethical business, sound business, legal business. It is not Bengal ka kala jadoo, and you decide your income level here, where you want to work, with whom you want to work, which country you want to work. That all you decide, and there cannot be any pension better than this. And here money you can earn in 2 ways: either you leverage money or you leverage time. Here we teach you how to leverage time and earn big money. Everyone has got 24 hours. Suppose you work 8 hours a day, 5 days in a week, and in 1 year 50 weeks. So you have 22,000 hours in a year to work. Then one person average works for 40 years. So you have 80,000 hours in entire life to create a fortune. Let's say now big company has 10,000 employees, they work 8 hours a day. So the company has 80,000 hours in a single day, where you have 80,000 hours in your entire life. So much of difference. Is 50,000 good income? Okay, so it becomes 6 lakhs in 1 year. We divide it by 2,000 hours. The cost of 1 hour cost comes to 300 rupees. Now, how much you will earn in 80,000 hours? That is in your entire life, 2.4 crores. That you will get when you earn 50,000 per month. Let's say company, how much they will earn? 2.4 crores in a single day. Friends, in this business, you can have exponential growth. Suppose you introduce two people in this business, they also do the same thing, then they also do the same thing. So after some time, you have here 30 people. That means you can multiply your business 30 times. Suppose now you appoint one more, instead of two, you make three, and then they do the same thing. So then you have 120 people in your group. Just see here, you have increased one at the top. In the bottom, you see 90 people have increased. So if you introduce 5 people, after some time, this turns out into 780 people. That means you can multiply your time by 780 times. That means you can multiply your income 780 times also. And now if you get 1,000 rupees from everyone, 780 people, your 1 month's income becomes 780 into 1,000, 7 lakh 80,000 in a month. The money comes like that. Our market is very big. We have more than 100 products in natural health care, uh, nutrition, personal care, weight management, skin care, beauty care. These belong to these products belong to natural categories, organic and herbal categories. And these are the finest uh, products overall, in the top bracket products in the world. And we are, I already told you, largest grower of aloe vera, and there are 400 varieties of aloe vera, and we grow the best one. Most of the varieties have very less medicinal value. Some varieties have are poisonous also. So it is a natural plant, safe plant. 5,000 years history is there. There is juice also and creams also. In the market, they put a preservative in it, and by putting a chemical preservative, the medicinal power is reduced drastically and becomes almost negligible. And here we have a patented process called stabilization. So this preservation is done through that process, and we use the natural herb to stabilize. And it has 100% power for the next 2 years. And the tests are showing that whatever you, if you just cut the leaf, and whatever you get there, same is inside this bottle. And we don't add pesticides, herbicides, flavoring, coloring to it. It is our digestive system. At number one, you are seeing the uh, intestines of a small child. These are clean. Number two, this air, water, food, toxins get accumulated in the intestines and block the absorption of nutrients. And when you third number, it is there, if you drink aloe vera, then this cleansing happens, and now the intestines can absorb all the nutrients. It is our manufacturing facility. 145 to 300 tests are there on every, on basically on the products. So many tests are not even happening in even many medical companies. And if it does not pass the test, the whole batch is rejected. In this manufacturing facility, we can manufacture 18,000 Tetra Paks in an hour. There are so many certificates, so many halal rating, International Alloy Science Council, kosher rating. Then we have various awards. In fact, in our country, if someone is something is contaminated, so people are not punished. They got mostly scot free. There were some factories who were caught making milk, these artificial milk through uh, by using washing powder. So in a way, they are supplying poison to people, but nothing happens to them even if they are caught. They got scot free even from courts. But in these Arab countries, there are some places where if someone does like that, they are the court is held in an open field, and thousands of people may see that, and the uh, hands and feet of these directors are cut there because the same day judgment is there. So where the rules are so tough, our company, so many companies don't dare to go to that kind of country, and our company is there almost everywhere. Our company is operating in 160 countries. It has halal rating seal, Islamic seal of approval. This India, our company came in 2000, and we have 19 offices now. It is our head office in Mumbai. It is in Bandra Hill Road, and in this colony there are so many film stars, heroines. They are staying. So this whole building, it has been bought by the company. It is our sister company for our resorts. I have 70 hotels and resorts all over the world in this company. Our marketing plan is very powerful, and preferred customer gets 15% discount, business partner gets 30% discount. And this I already told you, at 143% price you get the bonus. And there are so many benefits in our company. You have preferred customer gets 15% discount, and assistant supervisor onwards you get 30%, and you have 5 to 18% personal bonus. All positions are permanent here. Volume bonus is there, 3 to 13%. We have 11 type of incomes, and we have car plan. How many of you want car free of cost from the company? Oh, so many people are raising hands. So level one, suppose in marketing plan, there is one program feeded for car plan which monitors your turnover and your group's turnover every 3 months. If in the first month it is 50cc, second month 100cc, third month 150cc, you get 26,000 per month for the next 3 months to give installment of the car. Level 2 you get 39,000, level 3 you get 52,000. Level 1 you get 9 lakh 36,000, level 2 14 lakh 4,000, level 3 18 lakh 72,000. 1013 cars have already been given to people. These all, most of these are luxury cars, friends. In fact, the manager in our company, if someone works for 4 months to 1 year, becomes the manager, and manager's income is 50,000 to 2 lakh per month. How many of you want a free domestic travel with your spouse for 3-4 days in a 5-star resort. So our company gives that also. So many people are raising hands. Nice. Then we have two type of international travel. One travel is there in that it is for about 4-5 days, and you can take anyone with you, one person. And then there is another one, global rally, which is up to 9 days, and you get shopping money also in that. $250 to $20,500, you get shopping money also. And you can see some.
Congratulations, guys. It's another $1,000,000. $1,191,903 goes to Rolf and Dominique Kip. Congratulations to you both. The #1 check in all of the Forever world. On behalf of the Forever family, we want to thank each one of you for qualifying for this one. 5, 2, 7, 4, 7, $1,174,725. $1,118,601. We know Forever is the greatest opportunity in the world.
Such a powerful company. The chairman bonus in our company, more than 99% companies don't give this bonus. A part, some money is kept aside depending on turnover of the company, and then distributors get it. See the type of checks: 57 lakhs, 1 crore 20 lakhs, 1 crore 79 lakhs. Oh, this is my photo. Then 4 crore 10 lakhs, that kind of checks. Friends, India has come now at number 2. It is number 3. This year it is number 2. And there are about 2,800 millionaires. Friends, today we have taken your right that you cannot say you did not get a nice opportunity. You just saw there is a check. One Germany person got a check of more than 10 crores, single check. In 8 crore population, he got a check of 10 crore rupees. And we have 140 crore population. You can think of the potential in India, friends. How much potential is there? Friends, this is our chairman, Rexmon. Before telling to you something about him, I would like to give you my introduction. Friends, I belong to a village in Uttar Pradesh. Basically, I am an engineer. Previously, I had training and job in different companies like L&T, Larsen and Toubro, Kepler and few others. Then since it was always hand to mouth situation, so I thought even if I save 5,000 rupees per month or 10,000 rupees per month, in how many years I will buy a house of 50-60 lakhs? The almost whole life will be gone like this. So I resigned, and then I started traditional business. The business was doing well, then suddenly there were losses in business because of bad debts. Then I was looking for a safe business, then network marketing came across. So then one person told me he was working somewhere in some company for 6 years. and one night the company ran away. So I thought I have to study this business. So I studied this business a lot. I studied lot of it on computer. Then I interviewed about 50 people who were doing different network marketing companies, and I made a list of 33 companies, and started going to each and every company because I wanted to do the best one. After roaming around for 3 months here and there, I zeroed in on Forever Living and started part time with it. And I saw in a few months I started getting some income. Then I became serious and I thought, why not increase time over here? Then I increased time over here, and my income kept on increasing and increasing. And till now, I have got more than 20 crore rupees, 23 crore rupees from this company. Friends, this is our chairman, Sir Rexmon. He is the son of a poor farmer in childhoods. When his shoes got worn off, his family was not able to buy him new shoes. Today, this person is one of the richest persons in America. He has been named in Forbes 400 list of 400 richest Americans. He says the greatest illness, the greatest pain in the world is an empty wallet. And he makes so many people successful. He has made so many millionaires, crorepati's in the world. And the next, he is providing you the success, inviting you for a great success. All the best. God bless you. Thank you.